Equations that require two variables are written in what is called standard form, ax plus by equals c. Use this formula to create equations that model the following scenarios. So number one is going to be done with you, and then you're going to do number two on your own, answering the questions through GoFormative. So Justin went to the bagel store to order coffees and bagels for his staff at work. Each bagel costs $2.50, and each coffee costs $1.75. Justin has a total of $50 to spend. Part A. Write a function that represents the number of coffees, x, and bagels, y, that Justin can purchase. Well, coffees cost $1.75, and they're going to be our x. So 1.75x plus bagels are going to be our y, and they're $2.50 each, so plus $2.50y. And we know I have a total of $50 to spend, so equals 50. Use the function created above to determine how many bagels Justin can get if he gets 10 coffees. Remember, coffees are our x, so we're going to plug 10 in for x and solve for y. So we have 1.75 times 10 plus 2.5 y equals 50. 1.75 times 10 is 1750 plus 250y equals 50. Subtract the 1750. We get 250y equals 3250. Divide by 250. And we get y equals 13. So if we purchase 10 coffees, you can get 13 bagels. Part C, use the same function to determine how many coffees Justin can get if he gets 6 bagels. So we remember that the bagels were y. We plug in 6 for y. We have 1.75x plus 250 times 6 equals 50. And we're going to go ahead and solve for x this time. So 1.75x plus 250 times 6 is 15 equals 50. Subtract the 15 from both sides. We get 1.75x equals 35. Divide by 1.75. And we get x equals 20 bagels. Oh no, 20 coffees rather. So we plugged in for bagels. So if Justin decides that he only wants to get 6 bagels, he can purchase 20 coffees. Okay, part C. Using the same, we already did that. Part D. Justin can order exactly 12 coffees and 12 bagels. Can he order 12 coffees and 12 bagels? So we're going to plug in both 12 and 12 and see if it works out in our function. So we have 1.75 times 12 plus 250 times 12 equals $50. So let's see if that works out. We do 1.75 times 12, we get 21. If we do 250 times 12, we get 30. And that does not equal 50. 21 plus 30 makes 51. So no, he cannot. Okay, and the last one, now we see it as a coordinate, so it's the same idea. Are the following coordinates also solutions? Show your work. Remember, in a coordinate, it's always the x first and then the y. So we're going to plug these in and see if they work. So 1.75 times 8 for 8 coffees plus 250 times 15 for 15 bagels equals 50. 1.75 times 8 is 14, plus 250 times 15 is 3750. 14 plus 3750 is 5150. So this is not a solution. You cannot purchase 8 coffees and 15 bagels. Over here, 1.75 times 10 plus 250 times 13 equals 50. 1.75 times 10 is 1750, plus 250 times 13 is 350, or 3250 rather. And if we add those together, we do get $50. So he could purchase 10 coffees and 13 bagels. So using that idea, you're going to go ahead on with the back of the notes, filling in Go Formative as you go.